Hello everyone, today I have brought a super tip for you to make you happy, cheerful and beaming for the whole day. We keep on listening and following hundreds of tips, but many a time we fail, though the reason may be any. But today I'll give you only one tip to make you relaxed and happy and cool. I have personally experienced it and trust me, it's awesome. And that's why I'm recommending it to you. So, what's the tip? See, for this, you will have to give yourself only 5 minutes in the morning. Just 5 minutes in the morning. And if morning is not possible at any cost, take any other time of the day, no issues. But just 5 minutes for you. Now, what to do within those 5 minutes? Just sit with yourself and listen to one song that you like the most. Yes, the song that you like the most. Yes, one song. It can be any song. It can be in Hindi, it can be in English, it can be in any other language. It can be old one, it can be new one, but only one song. But the thing is, the most important thing is the lyrics should be clear to you. Right, lyrics must be clear to you. Now listen to this song with full attention and consciousness. And don't think anything else within those 5 minutes. Just you and the song. You can sing with that song, you can dance with that song. Just listen to the song wholeheartedly. Now you may be thinking, what will happen with it? See, you will feel the energy of that song with you for the whole day. You will see the change that particular song is on your lips for the whole day. You keep on humming and it relaxes you and it makes you calm and you will feel happier that day. So, if you want to be happy, you want to be relaxed, you want to be cheerful, just apply and follow this one tip and you will see the positive, a lot of positive changes in yourself. You will have a stable mind and heart that day. I hope you will follow this tip and don't forget to share your experience with me in comment box below. Now if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you haven't. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified for upcoming videos. Stay relaxed, keep beaming. Bye.